guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to go for kind of more of a natural look with a bold lip. My time window to get ready was a little short today, so I want to do something quick, something natural, and so this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how to create this look, then keep on watching. The colors on my eyes are from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Palette, but as I always say, you don't have to use what I'm using. You can use whatever you have. You can switch with the colors, do your own thing. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye! So first we're going to start off with the eyes today instead of the brows first like I normally do, because my eyes were going to take the longest. So I'm going in with that brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going back and forth with those same two brushes that I've been using lately in my past, I think 2 or 3 videos. And I'm going to be on this color for a while because I'm trying to really deepen up that outer crease and give it the depth and the smoke that I want. I'm going to go in with a darker brown color out of that same palette. It was next to the one that we just used, and I'm darkening up and smoking up this outer crease even more. On this one I'm using a slightly big pencil brush, and I'm going back within with that Morphe huge blending brush to buff it out. And the next color, which is the last color on the outer crease I'm going to go in with, is the black matte shade. And again, I'm using the pencil brush to fill in the outer crease, and the blending brush to blend it in the outer crease and slightly into my outer transition color. Now I'm patting in with the shadow brush that really light beige color because I was really going for a natural look. Now we're going to be filling in brows. I'm using the same Anastasia dip brow pomade in Ebony and the eyebrow brush to go with it. And then next we're going to go in with foundation. Now we're going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I'm going to apply it with a foundation brush first, and then I'm going to use my Makeup Addiction sponge to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in medium, and I'm using this for my concealer today. I'm going to apply with the dome shape applicator that it comes with, and then I'm going to pat it in and blend it out with the Makeup Addiction sponge. Now we're going to contour the face using the LA Girl Cosmetics contour colors in Toffee and Dark Cocoa, which has been my has been my winning combination recently. I've loved these 2 colors together, and it creates the perfect contour color for my skin tone, so I've been loving it. And then I'm going to blend it out with the Sephora airbrush. I always want to say airbrush brush, but airbrush. And then I'm going to buff it out even more with my Makeup Addiction sponge afterward. now we're going to use the Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm going to set all of the areas where I highlighted at, which is underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and slightly on my chin. And then we're going to set the contour color with the Luscious Cosmetics contour palette using the 2 darker shades. Now I'm taking this huge, really huge face brush from Morphe. It's from that same kit. I put a link down in it below in my, I think it's 2 videos ago. I put a link to that collection in the bottom bar. And I'm using this brush to blend out everything. So it blends seamlessly. Now I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics face finishing powder. And I'm applying that to the rest of my face to set it. Now I'm going in with the Milani Cosmetics blush in Romantic Rose and a Luxie brush to put my blush on my cheekbones and to cover right on top of the contour color just a little bit to blend it. And then I'm going to go in with my, what is it? Makeup Revolution Gold Addict highlighter that I absolutely love. And another Luxie brush and applying that on top of the blush and then taking a big face brush and blending that all together again. And then I cut out my lip liner because the mirror was covering it, sorry, but it was Plum by MAC Cosmetics. And then I'm using NYX Cosmetics Lingerie. I think this is over top. I'll have it down the bottom bar if it's not. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next tutorial.